Morning Ramblings is a way for you to write a few unstructured pages every morning. There is no goal to the physical writing. The only goal, however, is that I need you to be in an emotionally grateful space before you start writing. For most of us, the easiest way to feel emotionally grateful is to watch a video of someone else being grateful towards someone else for what they did in their life. Obviously, some of us can be emotionally grateful without watching a video, and if you can do that, fantastic. But please note that I really want you to feel emotional about gratitude and about the things that you are grateful for in your life. And the easiest way to kind of measure where your emotional gratitude space is or level is you need to almost cry, like a positive cry. So the prelude to tears is probably a good trigger. Then you know you are experiencing gratitude emotionally. You can write about anything. You'll see at the bottom of the introduction page in the book, there are two examples of physical writings out of my book that I've done. So there is no format, there is no goal, except that you need to be emotionally grateful before you start writing your morning pages. We couldn't have made it easier for you. There's a QR code on each day that you start writing. Simply scan the QR code and it's going to take you to a YouTube page, a playlist where you can choose videos or a video that resonates with you and that puts you into an emotional grateful state. Once you feel emotionally grateful, start writing. There's no goal. Just write whatever you think, whatever's on your heart, whatever's on your mind. There's no purpose to the writing. If you're emotionally grateful, you've already achieved the purpose. As with all things in life that are new and that might change your life for the better, you will always find an excuse to not write. Just be aware of it, and please note that this will change your life for the better. Another thing to keep in mind is that you're not writing for someone else. It's not something that you're going to show to someone else. So there's no ego involved. You won't win a prize for these writings. It's simply coming out of your heart and out of your mind onto paper. Not even you should go back and read it.